Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom size in Canva so you can make designs that fit exactly what you need. Whether it's a poster, banner, or social media graphic, setting your own dimensions is super easy. So let's jump right in. First, head to Canva's main dashboard. In the top right corner, right below the Create a Design button, you'll see an option called Custom Size. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can set your own dimensions from scratch. Perfect when you want to design for a very specific format. Once the box opens, you'll see two fields, one for width and one for height. Type in your preferred size. For example, let's enter 51 by 51. By default, Canva uses pixels, but you can easily switch to inches, millimeters, or centimeters by clicking the drop down next to it. Be sure to choose the right unit so your design prints or displays perfectly, especially if you're preparing something for physical use. Once your dimensions are set, click Create New Design. Canva will instantly open a blank canvas with your custom measurements. Now you've got a perfectly sized canvas. No resizing or cropping needed later. Next, let's add some visuals. Head over to the sidebar and click Uploads. From here, you can drag and drop your files or select them directly from your computer, like logos, photos, or illustrations. Once your image is uploaded, just drag it onto your canvas and adjust the placement however you like. You can click and drag the corners to resize or use the alignment guides to center it perfectly. And that's it. You've just created your own custom size design in Canva. This gives you full flexibility to build graphics that match your exact specs for digital or print. Try experimenting with different dimensions to see what fits best for your next project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.